Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in Louis Vuitton and I cannot wait to share with you the whole new collection of the limited edition pieces, everything. It's going to be a full store tour in New York City. Let me start by when I first walked in and I'm going to show you everything in the store. I can't wait to show you this new collection. I love this petite gallery. It's so fun the way they've done the whole entire store. Absolutely beautiful. So again, thank you guys for watching my videos. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't yet. And of course, you can follow me on Instagram or on TikTok. It's just DV Double Vanilla. This piece is so unique. I haven't seen this one before. This is the multi-pochette. Obviously the limited edition version. This great cup. They also have the pochette métis. Okay, we are on the third level. There's shoes here. And look at this mannequin. It's amazing. I mean, this belt is so cool. I love that. What a statement, but like not too crazy, right? The skirt is amazing. And this top is such a great piece. Oh, I love that so much. Imagine, again, I always say this, but like imagine walking down the street seeing somebody wear this. Beautiful. Not a fan of the platform shoes. Every single brand is doing that ever since Versace started with theirs. Lots of really cool boots. I love these combat style boots. These are amazing. They've got the monogram tongue detail. Again, lighting is so hard sometimes to show the details, but hopefully there you can kind of see it. These are just below the knee. This would look so cool with like nice little short skirts, short stockings. I'm going to show you these boots. Let me take them down. So these are very cool. Not for everyone, but again, I'd love to see them on somebody. Not my style, they've got a wedge, but how amazing would somebody look wearing these boots? We are in the ready-to-wear section, and this area has a lot of really cool pieces. That top that I showed you when I came onto the third floor, they have it in gold. And look at that. I love it in black though, but the gold is pretty cool. And then look at these pants. Do they match? Not really. I don't think they're a set, but again, I don't know what vlogs I've posted yet, but there's so much cargo inspired stuff. Like, look at these cargos. I don't even know, how did that happen? How did cargo become such a thing? And literally every design house is doing it. You guys are probably gonna be sick of me hearing, but like every store I go into, everyone's doing cargos. Even there's like cargo bags. Fendi's doing a cargo bag. But now these boots, wow, how cool are these? They're sequins, and I think, oh yeah, it's that, hopefully my camera works okay, but like when you go like that, you can make them all silver, or you go up and you make them gold. Pretty cool. They've got an almond toe. They look like they'd be quite comfortable below the knees. These are so cool. Again, it's like, imagine seeing someone wearing this. What a great outfit. Even if it's not your style, I mean, I just appreciate it. But yeah, it's got a little monogram there. We've got the Coussin bag over here. And I quickly show you this trunk. I always love the Louis trunks. They're so amazing. Great little coffee table. Ooh, and they have those same boots I just showed you in black and silver. And more gorgeous ready to wear over here. So let me show you this real quick. This is all new collection. And this is reminds me of Chanel over here. Don't really love that. This is super cool. I love the distress over there. A little bit off the shoulder piece over here. What else do they have? More cargos. This is a cool little cropped piece. It's got like these great shoulder pads, so it gives you lots of like definition. And then the skirt over here. This dress, not really a fan of that. There's this cute little bomber. There's this dress. This is very classic Louis Vuitton, this A-line skirt. We've got this amazing piece, which is so great. This skirt, I believe this is the same skirt that was on the mannequin. Funny enough, like, well, it looked better on the mannequin than on the rack. That happens often, right? Like on the rack, things, you can't really tell sometimes how amazing it is until you see it on somebody or a mannequin. But yeah, on that mannequin, it looked so good. And then it's got the patent leather details, that little button detailing. This is, I'm not sure, it's too short to be a dress, but it's something. And then we've got these high-waisted shorts. This super beautiful trench. I really love this. This is so nice. It kind of has like an ombre effect going on. I love the collar on that. This is a really cute piece. Oh, I love this. I love pieces like this. It's got little diamantes. That trench that I just showed you, it has matching denim. Really pretty. Let's see how much something like this would cost. $2,040 for a pair of jeans. And then this little bomber in silver, matching pants, another little cropped bomber, lots of sparkly crystals. So I just saw this little Coussin bag. This is more like a pouch. It's not your typical Coussin bag, right? But it still has all the detailing of that handbag. And I don't know, is this snakeskin? It might be, yeah. I was gonna say maybe it was just a design detail and regular leather, but I do think it is snakeskin. But it looks really pretty. I like that texture on it. And then check out these mannequins. This is a great little Alma bag. A lot of pieces in this print. See, I like the way this A-line's out, very like Japanese inspired. There's this great skirt over here. Louis Vuitton ready to wear is amazing. Like such a dream, these pieces, right? I like being inspired going into all of these shops. Like this skirt is so nice, and then finding it for a more affordable price. Obviously some people watching will get these items, but I just like being inspired by all of it. And then these are super statement. Got some beautiful scarves here, super classic ones here with the little studs, so nice. And then they've got some jewelry. This piece before, or this little angle. I haven't seen that with the flower. That's really pretty, as well as this necklace, super statement. It's really nice. I like it. These earrings are great. It's got mixed metals. This bracelet. Check out this little mini on the go in red. These earrings, again, mixed metals, pretty unique. Just see for the lighting. And then of course I want to show you some of their classics. I love the twist bag. This has been around for a while, the twist, but they always reintroduce it with little charms. This one has a top handle, new colors. This white one. This one here is from, oh, I forget this line, but yeah, I can't remember the name of this bag right now. But it's almost like the Chanel Coco handle, right? It's got the little part for the strap, cream. And then they've got this gorgeous one, epi leather, this one in the demi-ben. It's got the 2 grommets, so you can double it up and wear it as like a shoulder bag or longer as a crossbody, which is always nice. And I do love the buckle detail. And it's not really functional. I mean, it's magnetic, I believe. Yeah, it is just a magnetic. But it's nice. It's got that little pocket there you can put your phone in. So they still have a lot of stock of these. These come out around Christmas time, so they've had this now for a while. Different cities sell it really quick, but I always love these little designs that they bring out here and here, different cities. And this one looks like it's, yeah, New York. So I wonder if this one is unique just to New York, or if they do sell this one in other cities, because sometimes they do create things that are specific just for that city. This one over here, this looks like it's Japan. They've got a lot of classics. I want to try to show you things that I haven't shown you before. I don't know if I've seen these, but I may have shown you guys these ones. These I definitely have not seen before. Beautiful, deep chocolate brown. Nice winter boot. They've got like a lug sole. Those are really cool. So these boots over here, I love both of them. But this one, how pretty is that? Let's let it focus. So classic, yet it has the little detail on it. Nice heel height. And then these over here, a little bit more statement with the monogram and the studs, but they're basically identical. These 2 boots over here. They've got these great heels. And then these over here are from their newer collection. And I don't know how I feel about them. I just have a feeling they're going to be really comfortable because of the heel, sling back. They come in all different colors, but I don't really think I really like them. This one I like more. It wraps around your ankle. This would be super flattering on the leg. And yeah, this one's really pretty actually. I prefer this one. More platforms. This one's very pretty with the braiding detail, but not really a big fan of that square toe. And then this one's really fun over here. Look at that detail on the back. Lots of crystals. This one over here, it's kind of got that little puffy part. Louis Vuitton on the side, a little bit more statement. And then there's some crystal ones up there that I know I have shown you guys before. Over here, they've got a couple of little boots, kind of like UGG style. UGG has been really popular the past few seasons. But yeah, these are cute. There's these ones over here. Definitely look like they'd be really warm and comfy. Same with those over there. And then they've got some great slides over here, lots of nudes. This pinkish nude is super pretty. Really like that. This peachy one, not a real fan of this tone, but these are great. And then I always love the details on Louis Vuitton shoes when they have the little blue pattern. I like details like that. It makes it really special when you're gonna invest in a more expensive piece, I find. And then over here, we've got this one, really pretty. Oh, and then these I haven't seen before. They're more statement. And then over here, these are some denim. I don't know how I feel about those, but let me know what you guys think. Over here, we've got the Archlight sneaker. This shoe is so funny because it was so popular when it came out, and then it died down, but now, recently, I feel like people are really liking this shoe again. Kind of like the quote-unquote ugly sneaker trend, but this in the green terry cloth is super statement. They also just have it in the more classic white with monogram. They have so many of them right now. So, yeah, I'm not sure if you guys like those. These are very classic over here. They've got them in monogram with some studs, demi azure, and just the all monogram one. These kind of look like Jordans a little bit. These ones over here, and these are kind of cute with the charm detail. Now, these, I don't know, have I seen these before? I don't know if I have. Not sure the name of them. They just remind me too much of like a regular, I don't know. Not for me, I don't think, but these ones are kind of cute. Again, I don't think I've seen these. I think they might be new, but you guys can let me know. I'm not sure. This is one of their classic t-shirts. They've just knotted it. And then this blazer. Look at the button details on that. Pretty skirt. And sandbag. So this is like the classic sandbag in the small size versus the other one. I feel like, I don't know, it looked a little bit different. It could be because it was an exotic. I'm going to show you a little bit of men's. They've got a great new collection over here. Love the blue color. The way they've done this is so nice. They've got this vest. It's got a little bit of monogram on it. This denim sunglasses over here. This little piece. This is pretty interesting. I've never seen this before. And then I'll show you these sneakers. What do you think of these? We've got more sneakers over here. This piece is pretty cool. Sunglasses. And then look at this backpack. And then check out these two mannequins. So this coat is so cool. So are the boots. Let me show you the little details. Check that out. There you can see the shoes on, and then the sweater that I first showed you, I believe this is the same one, this one. Did the other one have a zipper? Yeah, I think it did. I think it's the exact same one. And look at that bag. Pretty cool. It's got antique gold hardware on it. And then there you can see that other bag that I showed you. Pretty cool. And then there's these chunks over here. This is pretty cool, the multicolor. And then look at this mirrored one over here. That is so interesting. These little sunglasses. They've got a lot of really great sneakers. These ones, flashy. They've got them in green and also in this brown and pink combo. Check out how they made this mannequin up. The buttons are so cool on this skirt. I love this piece. So classic, but then the buttons are so much fun. These sneakers are so cool. Look at that chapeau there. Look at the little detail of the buttons on this. And now this two-piece in silk. Love the little leather bits. Really, really nice. So this piece is so unique. It's basically like a book, right? It's the same on each side. And then let's open it up. It's got kind of like a magnetic opening. It's got a strap. It's got this beautiful red on the interior. It's got the vachetta strap. Such a special little piece. So that is really interesting. Here's a better close-up of the vachetta. This is smaller than like the traditional vachetta. Maybe it's just me. These PJs are so fun. They've got the great little monogram on there, which is so nice. And over here, they've got the classic Speedy. This is in the 25, I believe. And it's the bandolier style, so it does have a strap that it comes with. These over here, this is so much fun, this collection. So they've pretty much done almost all of their classics in this collection. This is the Dauphine bag. These are just the classic Dauphines. But then, let me show you this. This is the on the go. Sorry for doing so close up. This is on the go in the little baby size. And then this over here is the one size up. I believe this is the PM size. The other one is like the super micro one. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, like I always say, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you want to see more short form content, street style, fashion, follow me on Instagram or on TikTok. It's just DP Double Vanilla. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.